Hi, hi. My name is Divish Majan. Today's date is 18th April 2022. Today's video topic is a web application. Original video. A web application is a usually application program that is usually stored on a remote server, and users can access it through the use of a software known as a web browser. It is a type of a computer program that usually runs with help of a web browser and also uses many web technologies to perform various tasks on internet. A web application can be developed for several uses which can be used by anyone, like it can be used as an individual or as a whole organization for several reasons. In general, a web application can contain only shops, uh, online shops, or we can also say them e-commerce shops, web mails, calculators, social media kind of web applications that usually require special kind of web browser to access them. We cannot access those kinds of web application by using a regular web browser. However, most of the web applications are available on internet and can be accessed using standard web browser. It uh, a web application uses a combination of server-side scripts such as PHP, ASP for handling the information or data storage and retrieval of data. Some of them also uses client-side scripts such as JavaScript, HTML to represent the data or information in front of users. And some of web applications are also using both server-side and client-side at the same time. It allows the users to communicate with the organization or companies by using online forums, shopping carts, content management system, and much more. Apart from that, web application also allow users to create documents, share them, or share data. By using web application, user can collaborate on same project by event when they are not available on same geographical location. After knowing that the web application is there, be a question hitting in mind that how it works. Um, in general, web application does not require downloading uh, because as we know, web application is computer program that usually resides in the server, remote server. Any user can access it by using one of the standard web browser such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge. Most of them are available free for everyone. Web applications are generally coded using language supported by almost every web browser such as HTML, JavaScript, because these are languages that rely on web browser to render programs executable. Some of web applications are entirely static, due to which they are not required any processing on the server at all while. Other hand, some web applications are dynamic and requires server-side processing. To operate a web application, we usually require a web server. We can say some space on web server for program. Um uh, the database to client upcoming request and required application server. The application server performs tasks that are requested by a client, which have also been need to database to store information. Application server technologies ranges from ASP.NET, ASP, Cloud Fusion to PHP and JSP. The standard web application usually has a short development cycle and can be easily developed with a small team of developers. As we know, most of currently available web applications on the internet are written using programming language such as HTML, Hypertext, CSS, and JavaScript that are using in creating front-end interface. Uh, mhm. Internet are these most of currently available web applications on internet are written in using programming language that such as HTML or hypertext markup language. CSS or cascading style sheets, and Java sheets that are used in creating front-end interface.